CAT machines are some of the most durable and now high-tech machines in the world. But here at Carter Machinery, it's not enough for us just to sell heavy iron. We are passionate about helping those we serve reach their fullest potential. That's where Carter University comes in, offering programs that arm customers with the right training at the right time to maximize their equipment while improving safety in the workplace.
What we wanted to do is be able to partner with our customers and provide safety, technician and operator training to help them be safe, efficient and obviously more profitable.
Carter University started offering all of this and more after seeing a real need for our customers. Now, Carter U offers full programs in all of these areas.
The key to operator training is being actually on machines and letting those guys dig some real dirt. That really helps in their development.
Programs designed not only to help improve an operator's knowledge and skills, but also to provide critical OSHA requirements.
The operator programs are a combination of us providing safety training, anything from OSHA 10-hour to task training. And task training is the minimum OSHA requirement for any customer for their employees to have.
Carter University also enables today's operators with state-of-the-art virtual training with these 3D simulators.
Bring the boom down.
Simulators that create a virtual world, a lot like the real thing. Carter trainers coach and provide tips and help operators find out how easy it is to learn machine controls and proper operating procedures on many different machines.
One of the cool things about these 3D simulators is that they can be completely packaged up and put onto this mobile classroom, and they can travel to any work site.
Training all levels of operators, even those who have been working on these machines for decades.
And for those that have been operating machinery for a long time, you know, the simulators, we can pit them against industry standards and we can help them become more efficient and save money and ultimately prolong the life of the machine.
They're much different to run where we have gear shifts and not push buttons. So it's newer age, we got to learn newer stuff.
So whether it's operator, safety, or technician training, Carter University will tailor your training your way.